here we go with the Karcher window vac that has got a problem with the tactile switch. I've already taken this apart, but I think the screws, I've got to take them all out again. They're not fully tightened up. Let's get these out. Actually, let's check. This is a pack of tactile switches from Amazon. Oh my gosh, these are small. These might be a bit too small. I don't know, they might work. They're tiny things. So basically the switch is in here and it's gone, but the tactile one has gone. So what we're going to do is replace it, or try to. So if we get these screws out, we should just be able to solder the new switch in and put it in the waterproof rubber housing. That's those. Then there's these. All these screws are the same size, so there's no headache in getting them all back in the right order. But you do want to get them all back in because it is a waterproof unit. Yeah, so the behaviour was it just wouldn't switch off. So something had gone wrong with the switch, or water possibly got in, I don't know, but yeah, it's basically a tactile switch. You just kind of on, off. So there's no permanent on the switch. It's a bit odd. It's a bit like a keyboard switch, apparently. I don't really know a lot about them, but right, so one there. And this is the last one. The soldering iron is on. Right, let's crack this open. We need to split the thing. There we go. So, get rid of that half. We want this half. The switch is located in here. Wiring goes around there. I've already had this apart, so people are selling these whole switches on eBay for about £5, but I thought I'd try and do it the hard way. There's my tactile switch, or what's left of it, on this circuit board. We are going to try and get one of these soldered onto there, but that looks like 4 terminals. Might be able to do this. Need to think about where the board goes in relation to the switch. We could put it the wrong way around and then just solder everything onto these 2 posts. That might work. Yeah, let's try that. I'm not sure how to get these out. Maybe they just pop out. Probably just going to break them, I think. Right. That is one. God, these are small. Could just solder across. Right. This is going to be fun. starts to go very wrong doing this sort of stuff. Ooh. Busted those out. I think we're going to have to go onto there. Plus we got the wires. Thinking, or we glue the switch onto there. With the wires on there. Oh, we ruined the board. Switch on there, wires on the other side. Yeah, let's have a go at that. This is going to be fun. Move over a bit. Slide the lines a bit stretched. Ooh. What if we bend these tabs? So it gives them like legs. They've got legs now. Then onto that solder. Don't know. Tons of solder. Let's build up these. Then somehow, I don't know how we're going to do this. I'm going to melt both and then drop this in without burning myself. bit of an angle. Eek. Let's try and push it over. Right. Let's leave it as that. It's about as best as we can do it. Wires on the back. These beauties. Let's tin them up. These tactile switches are $3.99 off Amazon. If anyone's wondering, which I will link to. Let's go on the back, a couple of blobs. Shaky hands. God. These can go any way round. I think there's a bit too much wire. Shorten that. That one's short anyway. Solder these on. Or completely bodge it up. Alright, that's that one on. We want this one on. Just might switch it on, I don't know. I think we're just going to have to solder this on with it running. There we go. Or we completely use it. Right, that should be done. I don't know if you can see that. So we've got the wire soldered on the back, the switch soldered on the front. That's better. Just need to make sure that can have funny connections. That closes. And let's put this in position yet again. That's better. The wires go in here. Just pop those in so they don't get caught when I do it all up. Which they probably will do. And yeah, that's good. I think they were $3.99 possibly. but like I said, I'll link it in the description. Just get down there, you wires. Right, they're down there. Let's pop all this on. Also at the end there'll be a link to the video where I placed the battery, the 18650 lithium, one of these NCRs. That wasn't too bad to do actually. Right, let's whack all this back on. Just checking this. Just push that in. I don't know where we go. Right, that's that. Get this right way round. There we go. It's quite nice. Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one. Bye.